Welcome to this week's Thai Kitchen, the series from my Thai cookbook. This week I'm going to make a beautiful clams in green curry sauce. And the ingredients you will need for this great dish are as follows: clams, onions, chili, ginger or galanga, lemongrass, lime leaves, garlic, eggplant, green curry paste, shrimp paste, chili jam, sugar, Thai fish sauce, coriander root, oil and fresh basil. Okay, so first thing up, I'm going to make the curry sauce. So, oil, garlic, onions, chili, not too much, ginger, lemongrass, lime leaves. Just let that cook for a little while. I want it to crisp up slightly. And my favourite, stinky, smelly shrimp paste. Chili oil with chili jam. Mix it all together. All those flavours coming up. This is not too spicy, this dish. I only put a fraction of chili, and the same with the green curry paste. Green curry paste. Leave them to fry off for approximately 3 to 5 minutes. Clams. Mix them in slightly. Bring it to the boil. Now that's nice and reduced, I'm going to add my coriander, coconut milk, stir. Want that to reduce slightly, just for a couple of minutes. And fresh basil leaves, slightly wilted in the heat, so put those in as well. If you can get the Thai hot basil, that's the best. Thai fish sauce. Oh, wow, that is wonderful. Ready to serve. Fresh basil. And there you have it, folks. My favourite part of any tasting, any cooking thing is the what?
Tasting.
Alright, come on. Yeah, you first.
Hey!
Charlie, put that on your spoon.
I want that, the closed one. That one looks good.
No, take this one. It's open already. Don't, come on, there you go. Jeez. Take that, take the sauce, and then you go. Yeah? Come here, sit down. Sit down, let me help you. Right.
That's spicy.
Very spicy.
Take that out. Yeah. So aside from the spice, how's it taste?
So
Lots of flavor, but very spicy.
There you go. Josie's not a spice freak like me.
Is that clams
Yep, they are clams.
or mussels?
They're clams. You're very, very good. Nice. Soft, light. Not too spicy for me.
It's very spicy for me.
Everybody's taste. These recipes are from my Thai cookbook called the Thai Cookbook.
It bit my
Wicked
spoon.
Wild Thailand.
Ah,
With over 100
it's
recipes.
hot. Let me open it.
Dishes that I learned on the road on my 60-70 motorbike trips that I did all over Thailand, and met some incredible people, learned all these dishes everywhere I went. Some of them got my own little twist to them,
Something.
but nonetheless fantastic. And fortunately I did a diary of my trips when I was out there, so those are spliced in between all the recipes, explaining a little bit about my journey and what went on. Also working in Thailand as a chef,
Ooh.
having to deal, running a multi-million-dollar businesses in hotels is never easy. Sometimes you have to deal with corrupt suppliers, stuff I had to deal with, and death threats, snakes in the office, you name it, it's all in there. New videos every week, folks, so please do check in. If you want to buy the book, click on the chef shop icon at the end of the video. Thanks for watching, and bon appetit. And sorry, don't forget to click on that there.
It said
Subscribe.
bon appetit. It's bon appetit.
Bon appetit. Thank you. She's learning French at school. Cheers, folks.